Federal prosecutors. Donald Trump's election intervention in Washington on Tuesday. Judge. Former president's social media as a weapon use as a weapon scare in court transactions. Stating take steps protect identity of possible jury members. Prosecutors. Court newspapers. Trump and possible jury members of what they can do with what they can do. And New York judge officer. Trump's limited beak to the judge. Civilian business. He said. In this case, Trump ordered Judge Arthur Engoron's Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, D.N.Y. Engoron, Trump to delete his duty and banned all sides from the infected court staff. Watch Trump strengthens violent rhetoric against his perceived enemies when the civil trial starts. The defendant apparently after examining opposition research on the court personnel considering that chose to use social media to attack public employee. He is concerned about what could do with his potential jury members in this case. Smith's team wants prevent jury members on social media to prevent jury members from the court and prohibit any investigation from the court. Prosecutors also want judge prohibit use of information gained for any purpose other than selection through jury research, and require lawyers make sure that anyone who has access sensitive materials cannot explain information public. The government's movement shows that defense lawyers are against it. Trump's lawyer John Lauro refused to comment on Tuesday. Prosecutors in their files. Judge who controls another legal case against Trump in New York author E. Jean Carroll's rape case names of elected jury members even lawyers ordered to refer to a very strong risk. The former president. Supporters of president faced harassment. The Warriors stated that these measures were more restrictive, but he called Chutkan to protect the potential and chosen jury members from intimidation and fear. In this case, in case of Trump's election intervention in Georgia, Scott McAfee, judge of Fulton District Supreme Court, can be defined by jury members or possible jury members only by number in court files or open courts, and during hearing open certain documents. Watch Trump was accused of federal charges in January 6 case. Special consultant Jack Smith on Tuesday. Prosecutors called on judge request court until mid-December if Trump planned make a defense claiming that he had trusted advice of lawyers around 2020, as proposed in media talks. Prosecutors. During investigation of at least 25 witnesses and other information from researchers said that they kept other information from researchers, he would have to waive this privilege through communication. Associated Press writers contributed to the story of Eric Tucker in Washington and Kate Brumbach in Atlanta.